Good morning, dear children. Today we will be discussing lesson 1 of our moral science book. Name of the lesson is A Visit to Anandvan. The value taught in this lesson is the purpose of human life is to serve and to show compassion and the will to help others. So, this lesson teaches us the value of serving other people and to show compassion towards others, to help others. Here you can see picture of Mother Teresa. Do you know who was Mother Teresa? Mother Teresa had helped thousands of people during her life. She once said, if you can't feed 100 people, then feed just one. And the picture shown here is of Baba Amte. Baba Amte was a great social worker who spent his entire life helping patients suffering from leprosy. So, in this chapter, we will know about the life and how Baba Amte served the sick people. So, let's begin with our story. This story is about Anu, who is a little girl and she is very excited about her summer vacation. She is packing her bags for a trip that her father has planned for her. She is more thrilled as her father hasn't revealed the destination to her. As she is making wild guesses about where her father is taking her, she bumps into her domestic help, Shanti Auntie. The tray of expensive set of crystal glasses that Shanti is holding crashes on the floor. Anu's new dress gets drenched in water. Anu is annoyed. Annoyed means Anu gets angry with Shanti auntie and she gives an irritated look to Shanti auntie. And Shanti auntie is tired and exhausted and is feeling feverish and she feels sorry. She says, I'm sorry, Anu. I didn't see you coming towards me. Anu made a face. Anu made a very bad face. Now, father asks Anu, are you ready? We have to catch our train in an hour. Anu and her parents leave for the railway station. After getting down at the station, they take a rickshaw. The rickshaw enters a huge campus, and Anu is surprised to see that it is unlike a hotel that she has ever stayed at. There is a lot of greenery around, and the place is very peaceful. Curiously, Anu asks, which place is this? This doesn't look like a hill station. And her father replies, this is Anandvan. Anu says that she thought that we would be going to a hill station. Father replied that he wanted her to have a different kind of experience this vacation. Anu asks from his father, what is special about this place? Father replies, this is an ashram founded by Baba Amte. Then Anu asks curiously, who was Baba Amte? Father replies, Baba Amte was a great social worker who spent his entire life helping patients suffering from leprosy. But Anu asks why we are here for our vacation. Father replied that I wanted you to learn something worthwhile during your vacation. Anu wonders what is it that her father wants her to learn. Then she follows her parents to the ashram guest house where she can see many foreigners. After lunch, they venture out to see the entire premises. She sees some children going to school, some people planting trees, and some women working in the fields. Anu and her father meet an elderly gentleman who is also a visitor at the ashram. He starts telling them about Anandvan. The old man says that Anandvan started from one hut and its foundation was laid in 1954. It's quite old. Now the campus consists of two hospitals, a university, an orphanage. Children, do you know what is an orphanage? Where orphan live. Orphan are the children who have lost their parents or whose parents are dead. A school for the visually impaired who cannot listen properly, who cannot see properly, and several departments. The ashram is a self sufficient unit, and about 5,000 people are dependent on it for livelihood. Then Anu asked curiously, why did Baba Amte start it? The old man replied, he wanted to work for the people suffering from leprosy. In those times, nobody even touched such patients. Baba Amte started 11 weekly clinics around Varora and later started Anandvan. Then Anu asks, was he also from a poor family? Old man replies, no, not at all. He belonged to a family of landlords, but he was compassionate towards people. Now, what is the meaning of compassionate? Feeling or showing sympathy towards others. He was so distressed by the poverty of people in his family estate in Chandrapur, Maharashtra, that he started working with sweepers there. Anu looks at the old man in disbelief. She couldn't believe that a person could think of other people less fortunate than him or her. Suddenly, the episode of her shouting at Shanti auntie flashed before her eyes. She knew what she had to do. Means she had realized her mistake, that she was very rude towards Shanti auntie, and she made her mind that if she will feel sorry for her mistake, she will apologize for her mistake. So, children, are you clear about the story? Dear children, here you can see the picture of Anandvan. This place is full of greenery, very beautiful, calm, serene place. And dear children, which value you learned from this lesson? Yes, we should help other peoples, those who are in trouble, those who are sick. We should be compassionate towards others. We should always be ready to help others. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thanks for watching the video.